Let me look at you. Wow. It's a frog.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to put on Amy's.
I look like an usher.
I wanted to get them rain boots and rain coats because it rains a lot here in the spring.
What is that?
What is what?
That.
What? Let me see. Wow.
No.
Can you step so I can see the lights? Can you step? Whoa. Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Melody and we are an Air Force family stationed in Japan. Today it's rainy, so I thought I'd take the kids to...
We're going to the playroom.
We're going to the playroom, thank you. Yeah, it's rainy, it's not a pretty day, so Amy asked to go to the playroom, so I'm gonna take them and I want to show you guys what it's like, especially those coming here. The playroom is a good place to go if you have kids. And like I said, during the winter it gets really cold, and during the spring it rains a lot. So the playroom is a nice, free place to take the kids to have some fun. Let's go. Need help? So I highly recommend finding the Yokota Playroom Facebook group. You can join the group and it'll tell you like where it is and if there's anything going on at the playroom, like when it's open. I believe it's open most days, but sometimes it's not. So I highly recommend following that page. They do ask that when you leave, you like obviously pick up after the kids. I got here and it was already like this, like not organized, not clean. But yeah, I have a little kitchen area, books. I usually hang out on that couch and read a book or just scroll through my phone. Whoa, what is that?
I got the bread.
You got the bread? You don't want to go play? No? What do you have there? Can I see it?
Wake up, honey, I made
It's a
you
roar?
breakfast. fresh coffee and bagels too. A new day is waiting for us. We got lots
You have
of fun
more
stuff
there?
to do. Let's go to the zoo and feed
Wow, there's
the
so many
monkeys. I can
dinosaurs.
lend 'em your baseball cap. Let's make the day a
Wow.
bit of fun.
Let's count them.
Growing up is just a trap. Don't it
Oh,
seem
this one's a little short. Where are his arms?
like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag?
And a tree. Get the tree.
Listen to any
This tree doesn't want to stand up.
jazz.
Wow, so many.
Grow up. Growing up is just a big fat trap. I take pride in never working a day. Can't see the
This one
use
looks
of it
cute.
anyway. Who can think of such a load of crap? Growing up is just a trap.
Who is that? What is she doing here? You gotta be careful that the dinosaurs don't get to her. Oh no! Let me see, Phoenix. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see the toy. Oh no! She better run. Poor grandma. Amy said she's so fast. Go, 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 go. Wow. Wow, Phoenix. Phoenix, come back, come back. Let me see. Your legs can go faster, yeah. You're slow? You're saying Ash is slow? He's a baby. You're so silly.
I'm sorry, baby. You can have my piano.
Thank you, Amy. I was just gonna say that they had a little fight, but Milk made him happy. But Amy was so kind, and now you're sharing. Thank you. Ashton, can you say thank you?
You
You got a boo boo. Should mommy kiss it?
Yeah.
Let me kiss it. Mwah. Is it all better?
Yeah.
He loves his dinosaur. Okay, so it's time to go. So we're gonna pick up all this mess.
And we're gonna go to Barbie Work.
We're gonna go to Papi work, yeah. Papi said you can go to work with him today. So let's pick up. Thank you. Good job. Gotta pick this all up. Okay, we picked up. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than how we found it. Now it's time to go. Oh, last piece. Amy's finishing the puzzle. Yeah.
And give me another one.
Okay, last one. Perfect. Good job. High five. High five. Okay, let's go. Let's go see Papi.
Swaying.
Papi had no idea until you said it. Baby.
Papi, I love you. You make me so happy.
Ashton, you want to take a nap?
You make me so happy.
I think he's tired.
Besito, besito.
And he yawns.
Besito, besito, papi, besito, papi. Te amo. Besito. Besito, papi. Que papi a besito. Okay, I love you. Te amo.
Oh my goodness.
I love you. Te amo. You're mine. Oh my goodness. Bye, baby. I love you.
I love you.